The topic of today's video is how to link Ubisoft account to Twitch on mobile. Alright, so first things first, if you have the Twitch app, delete that immediately. Otherwise, you will not be able to do this. So we are on Twitch on our browser. I'm using Chrome. And the next thing that we need to do is we need to, of course, go to twitch.tv. And when we're on Twitch's website, we want to go to the top right on our browser here. And we want to click on desktop site. Then it's going to reload into the desktop version. If it doesn't look like this, close your browser, open it up again, or reload the page till it looks exactly like mine. Now we want to go to our profile icon on the top right. If you need to navigate, you can zoom in by pinching. And so click on the profile icon. And then we're going to click on settings. So if you did zoom in, you should still be zoomed. And you'll be able to see connections over here on the top, and you can click on that. Now here in connections, we're going to scroll down until we see Ubisoft. We move to the right hand side and we'll see connect. I already connected, so I'll just disconnect and let's hit connect. Now it's going to take you to Ubisoft's website. This could be a bit finicky because now it's going to the mobile version. Now it may prompt you to sign in. I do believe I'm already signed in. And we just want to click on get started. And then it's going to say login with Twitch. And we'll let this load up. And we'll have to say activate. It's going to load again. And we are done. So now we can go back to Twitch. You will need to reload the page. And if you check again, you'll see you are now connected. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing as well. And I'll see you in the next video.